Delivery man! Delivery man! Yes, ma'am. Can we tell the hospital my sister fainted? Hospital, sister, fainted. Anything else? No, faster. No, faster. I mean, go now. Okay, I'll get there in 5 hours. 5 hours? Fast. Hand me your homework.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
I left my homework at home. Just ask your mom to bring it here. But I didn't bring my bird. Here, here's mine. Thanks, Yahweh.